Let's learn how to add a shake effect in Premiere Pro. Right-click on the project area, select New Item, then Adjustment Layer, and click OK. Drag the adjustment layer to the timeline and resize it to match your project size. Go to the Effects panel, search for the Directional Blur effect, and drag it onto the adjustment layer. In the Effect Controls panel, set the blur length to 45. Now, cut 2 frames where the music volume is high or up, and repeat this process until you achieve the desired effect. That's it.